If you enjoy the luxurious life, which is the joy in life, then you're in the right place. At Eternal Women, we educate about all things lifestyle. We're multifaceted because women and girls are multifaceted. Welcome, friends. Welcome back. Today we're doing the Black History Month set, which I am so excited about. I have everything mapped out and ready to go. So I just need to put on my Beetles black gel polish and cure these. I'll be using two types of polish today. The Beetles, which you saw, which is $8.95. They're black. And then this ASP gel polish in white hot. I'm gonna do the white first because I will forget which color goes with what. And this is how this color looks by ASP coming out of the bottle. So as you can see, it's not really streaky at all. And after that second coat, it looks really, really beautiful. A nice white. Classic, classic, classic. Look at how that is really good and even. I love it. So the thumb and the middle finger will be white. And this is what the Beetles black polish looks like. One coat of that. I really love these two companies. They're just so good. They make such good products to me. And I got a little bubble there, so I'll get her out of there. And that's just one coat. I actually may have misspoken about that ASP. Can you see? Let me tilt the light a little more. Can you see the slight bubbling that is there? And a little bit of streaking, whereas the Beetles is simply beautifully opaque, especially this one. It's just, I kept getting little bubbles in the polish, and I didn't use more or anything. I'm not sure about ASP. I may have misspoken. So we have our sets laid out. This is how I prefer to do my process. That way I can see everything that I'm going to need. Also, you see this? Travesty. But we do what we have to do and make things work. So today we're using these stones, red glitter, 3mm, 4mm, green and black glitter, and green stones. So everything is already ready. I've got my picker-upper and everything is ready to go. That makes it a much easier process. And of course I have my adhesive and my mapping. First things first is the first nail. I want to take away some of the excess after I pump this pen. And I want this to be a graffiti nail, and I want it to say something specific. Yeah. Now this word is a little tricky because it's a longer. I want to write out the word excellence. So I think I want it to go straight across. EX C E L L E N C E. I think that turned out pretty good. So I'm going to do that on the other nail that is designated to say the same thing. So there's one, and then there's two, but I think I want to modify this one because I like how much bigger the E is on the other one. So I'm just going to add a little bit to that one. And we put those back on the set and take up the next nail that will be a graffiti design. And this one is going to say black is beautiful. And I want the is to kind of be more crooked like it is in graffiti. And then the beautiful to be exactly horizontal like the black says. Another long girl. But again, success. And I'm going to repeat that on the other hand's nail. Same nail, middle finger. And then I'm going to let these dry and move on to the next nail, which is our index finger. For this set, the index will remain plain, so I'm going to go back to the two graffiti nails now that they have dried and put specifically what will go on each nail that I have mapped out. So I'm going to vary the stone sizes, and I already have those laid out. And this fingernail will be my Pan-African or Black Liberation flag nail for this hand. Let's start with the green because that is the chunkiest of the stones. Ooh, that's even bigger than the dollop of glue that I put on. So let's take some more and spread that a little bit. And then, oh, that has something on it that will hang and cut me. And it's important to be cognizant of things like that to avoid things. So there's the green. And then I'm gonna go in and do, that's too much. Go in and do a red here. I don't know why I do that. I'll like tap the table like, pah, yes, done. But I like doing it. I feel like people do that for different things. I saw something where a guy would tap the table when he was accomplishing something. That's me. And then I want to go in with the black, and I'm going to go around this nail and repeat. And again, making sure that the glue or the stones are not going over the edge. And then I'll bring it in with the glitter green and so on and so forth. Here are the final results. As usual, if you would like to see these on, check out our short form videos across all social media, including this one. Ta!